Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're learning some really essential Korean vocabulary, time words, and the days of the week. These are words you're going to use every single day, so let's jump right in. Let's start with time words. You can see the English meaning for each word. I'll read the Korean words to make sure you know how to read them. Listen carefully and repeat several times.
오늘, 내일, 어제, 지금, 아침, 점심, 저녁, 밤, 주말, 매일, 시, 분.
Now let's learn the days of the week. I will read the Korean, listen carefully, and repeat several times.
월요일, 화요일, 수요일, 목요일, 금요일, 토요일, 일요일.
Here's a tip that'll help you remember. Every day ends with yoil, and that first character comes from Chinese characters. You can see the meaning of each day on the screen. Now let's move on to the months in Korean. The English meaning is right there on screen, so just focus on listening to my pronunciation. Listen carefully and don't be afraid to pause the video and repeat each one until it feels natural.
1월, 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, 6월, 7월, 8월, 9월, 10월, 11월, 12월.
Here's what makes this so easy. See how every month ends with wal? That just means month. Korean uses Sino-Korean numbers 1 through 12 and adds wal at the end. That's it. January is
1월,
and February is
2월.
simple, right? If you know the numbers, you already know the months. All right, that's it for today's lesson. Practice saying these out loud. Repetition is key. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.